Hello, it's Deborah from the attic, and I'm delighted to say that I have the November vintage subscription box from Your Creative Studio. I haven't had a look at any of these contents, so we're going to discover it together. The card is usually a hint, so this has an image of a stag on it, and on the reverse it's just a thank you for your subscription. Let's dive straight in. I'm going to apologise for the glare from under these lights, and let's get these items looked at first. This is a beautiful bookmark with a stag on it, and it has a magnetic closure. That's very clever. That is just stunning. What a beautiful thing. Next to these note cards, can you see how thick that pad of note cards is? Let me flip through and show you quickly all the different types of note cards. Great selection and lots of them. The washi tapes are always beautiful and they always coordinate with everything else that is in the kit. And let me roll this out for you so that you can see those beautiful stag images. These are beautiful fern stickers, and they have a transparent background to them, so when you stick them on you won't be able to see that they are stickers. And let's take a look at these vintage cards next. Oh, don't they look fabulous? Oh, there's so many as well. As with everything in these kits, there is always so much. There's so much variety. And yet you could use any of these items from this box or previous boxes on any of your projects and they will all coordinate because these are vintage curated boxes. And the storage of these items is very attractive as well. That's a great box. This is a cling stamp. This is an image of a deer in a frame. It's almost like a cameo. And I want to show you that this is already pre-mounted on this squeezy grey block, which means that all you have to do is remove the backing and adhere this to an acrylic block and then use the block just to stamp the image. We have another cling stamp, and this has got a picture of little deers. Deer on the front of it. Oh, and there are lots of individual stamps. This is a whole envelope full of individual deer stamps. Those are fabulous little images, just miniature deer. I've already got an idea for how we can use those. Idea for using the deer? Deer? I'll stop. This is a sticky notepad and it follows the theme of our Woodland Deer, and the images are all the same, and maybe you can see that this is where the sticky section starts. So a good third of this is sticky. We have another cling stamp. Did I mention that you always get loads of things in these boxes? Oh, and that's a full-size stag. Magnificent beast. Look at all these stamps. And even the packaging that these come in is rather attractive. That could easily be used as a little book plate, but all of these stamps, and these are stickers. Let me show you. So if I take one stamp and just peel away the background, you can see it's sticky. You don't even need glue. These are tags and they look gorgeous. Let's open them up. They are so pretty, and these are made from a fairly sturdy card. They are pretty robust, and there's even a little pre-punched hole in the top, so that is done for you as well. And then they're blank on the reverse, and they can carry any message that you want on the reverse. And let me draw your attention once again to the packaging, because this can be used. This is absolutely lovely and could be used as a basis for a card or a little tuck to go into a journal. Oh wow, and now we have 6 sticker sheets in this pack. These are 6 sheets of stickers, and these are invaluable for your journal pages. If I just lift one of these up, you can see how fine the little sticker is. This isn't going to add any bulk to your journal or any pages that you include it in. And these are really useful if you're in a hurry and you don't have time to embellish your journal by hand, or you're not inclined to embellish. And these are just so beautiful to add to the pages of your journal. I love these. This is a beautiful sticker sheet. It has the stags and the deers in scenes, and again there's a little sticker, and again they're very, very fine, very fine, very detailed. Finally, we have some 6x6 square papers, and these are like a parchment style paper. Let me flip through these quickly because each deserves to be looked at on its own. And again, I love these images. I love this parchment style of paper as well. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll provide all the links below the channel so you can see exactly where you get this box. Or if you want to subscribe, I'll provide a link below, or you can also click on my logo to subscribe as well. Just click on Attic Lane. And don't go away, because I'm going to be making something using only the contents of this kit so that I can hopefully inspire you in ways that you can use your kit as well. Before I show you what I made using the contents of this kit, I wanted to show you how the stamps look when they're stamped out. So we had the 4 tiny ones, the little oval image, and also the large stag. And I hope you can see they stamp out really sharp, really clear, and they capture a great deal of the detail. So what I've made using all of these goodies that were presented in the kit is a little concertina book. Let me just flip this out for you so you can see. I made it with several of the pieces of parchment paper, and then I've glued the final page onto one of these tags, and I've covered over where the glue is, because obviously it's under parchment so you can see the glue. I've covered it over with one of the stickers from the kit, and I've used washi tape to join the pieces of parchment, and I've left a tiny little gap where I've fitted the 2 pieces of parchment paper together. I've left a tiny little gap before I've added my washi tape so that it's nice and easy to open out. On the front, I've used the welcome card, the little thank you card, and I've added 2 more deer either side of the original image by using some of the stickers in this set. So this is a little concertina booklet that I can use to, I could even make pockets from this. I could glue a couple of pages together, have a little pocket in the top, a little pocket in the side. And then on the reverse, I didn't leave it white. I glued another of the tags, because they're gorgeous, onto the reverse of it, because obviously on the front I've covered it over with this image. But that is quite a complex tag, and you can make it as a tag, or you can make it simply as a concertina book, so that you get a chance to really see all the lovely images on the parchment paper. I particularly liked this one with the stag. As always, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I hope this has inspired you to have a go at perhaps getting one of these subscription boxes for yourself, or trying out making one of these concertina style tags. Until we meet again, stay safe and take care.